Are you tired of spending hours managing reports? Is sending customers to the wrong page driving you bananas? Are you running those campaigns or are they running you? Stop! You don't have to live like this anymore. Introducing Omnisend updates. Whether you're already using Omnisend or looking for something better, your search ends today. New reports. No more beta mode. It's the real deal now, baby. Starting January 16, new reports are fully launching and they're here to change the game. Export your campaign and workflow data effortlessly. Dive into customer activity without searching through the endless files. New reports are built to work with you, not against you. So you can spend less time clicking buttons and more time doing literally anything else. Still holding on to classic reports? It's time to let go. After January 16, they'll be gone for good, and you're not gonna miss them. Forms. And now it's time to spin the wheel! Your customers love the Wheel of Fortune, and we're sure you love them too. So brand it, customize it, je ne sais quoi. Make every spin a win or just remove them slices entirely. It's your wheel, your rules, and nobody likes those losing slices anyway. Email Builder. Shopify users, we've heard you. Discount links just got a whole lot easier and a whole lot flexible. Here's the deal. Turn on the Apply Shopify discount link option and mismatched links will automatically redirect customers to your store's homepage. Wait, what? You want full control? Turn the option off and send customers wherever you want. Send the wrong TZO campaign? Timing is not right? Breathe. We've added the ability to cancel them even after they've started. Because sometimes the best marketing strategy is pretending it never happened. Integrations. But wait, there's more! We've added 2 new integrations to make your marketing toolkit even more powerful. With Popper, you can create pop-ups that grab attention and drive conversions. And with Joy Loyalty, you'll keep customers coming back with reward programs, points, VIP tiers, and referrals. It's engagement and retention in one. And because the small things can make a big difference, we've made usability improvements across the platform. Sign up now and receive such benefits as previewing fonts, exporting segments, and much more. We've made it all smoother, smarter, and faster so you can spend less time troubleshooting and more time doing what you do best, marketing. So there you have it. New reports, smarter tools, fewer headaches. All this starting from 000. Whether you're already part of Omnisend or just thinking about it, don't think too long. These updates alone make your marketing so good, it's boring. The way it should be, to be honest. Oh, and before you go, we've got one more thing for you. Roll the tape. We've scoured over 23 billion emails sent this year, and we've uncovered the quirkiest trends and funniest insights from this year. Spoiler, the sparkle emoji was the most used emoji this year. Who would have thought? Taylor Swift mentioned in most of the campaigns containing pop culture icons. And who knew chicken emojis would find a place in email campaigns? But wait, there's more. What's dominating email inboxes? The Olympics or the Super Bowl? Spider-Man or Batman? And the burning question, are cat people really winning in marketing against the dog people? Get all of the juicy details and quirky stats from 2024. Find the link below and check out the full report. This is your last chance, or so you guys claimed.